Okay, today we're going to be going over the vocabulary for nets. We're going to go ahead and start off with the first term, which is net. It's a two-dimensional drawing of a three-dimensional object. In other words, you're going to take like a box, and if you cut all the edges and you laid it out flat, that would be a net. So, like if I took a box and I cut out and I just sliced the sides, and fix that, there would be six sides, what we call faces. And that, if I folded it back up, I would get the box back. So that's a net. The next term that we're going to talk about is a face. Now the face, I'm going to go ahead and put F for face, and that's kind of where it's going to go. I'm going to kind of try to shade around it. Okay, and that's the face. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the base. The bases are the top and the bottom. So on the top is a base, and on the bottom is a base. So those are my bases. The next thing are going to be the base edges. Now the base edges, they're just along the base. And those are the edges. They're also on the top. So the top and the bottom, they got base edges. The next thing we're going to talk about is going to be the lateral edges. The lateral edges are the sides. They go right next to the faces. These guys right here are the lateral edges. So those are the lateral edges, and then the final part of this is the vertex. And the vertex are just the corners. It's all the corners. So those are the vertexes.